Look at this fucking retard. Hey, retard. Chuck.
You too could sponsor a kid today for just $1 a day.
Sponsor this fucking retard. Somebody. He's fucking losing it. And by losing it, I mean floor. He's got none left.
This is Jerry. He was given a screwdriver when he was 6 years old. He's managed to do everything in his life with just a screwdriver.
Fuck, we just cleaned that fucking blanket. Good thing we just cleaned it, you dick.
Sponsor child in need. Call 1-800-JERRY-PARKS.
Watch out, watch out, watch out! This guy stinks.
We're going straight to the source. What is that? Get this.
Look at this pile of stuff. But all the chicks are happy to know that they've been riding around this with this the whole time. Just over there in the corner.
Garden. It's good to see that there's still some American alpha males left.
So here we have a 2005 Ford Ranger.
Basically doing a body off restoration.
Rip.
I need some scissors.
Skizza. Skizza, man.
It's basically you always want to check behind what you're doing.